My followers and those of you who are watching me online, yes, this is what Delight Success Crypto. Yes, if you are coming across my video, please, you are so lucky on this project I want to share out. I would like to recommend you don't miss out, take action and don't lose this update I want to share out to you. Yes, remaining 40 days and 10 hours, 15 minutes for this update to get launched. And this already got launched, but for this project to get on live for cashing out and every other thing, yes, I would like to advise you. And that was just 50 days. That was 50 days airdrop project. They want to just 50 days for people to mine and every other thing. The next few it is for the project to get listed. You get, yes, I want to recommend you don't miss out, don't joke with this project. If you have not participated, go straight to my video description, you will see the link, take action and participate. Do you get me? In order for it to what, to mine, in order for you to get more tokens and mine. And I'll give you the full step by step on how you can able to mine in order for you to get more tokens and in order for you to what, to be qualified. Yes, this is Delight Crypto. If this is your first time coming across my video for the first time, I would like to recommend you watch this video from beginning to the end. Don't miss out. Take action and stay consistent. Yes, if you find this video very interesting, please give it a thumb of like and try to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the bell notification, and the bell notification is very important so that in case I drop a very short crypto update, you are going to see the notification on your phone. Don't miss out. The Light Crypto update is sure and guaranteed. Don't miss out. Yes, I would like to recommend you join early now. Your the Light Success Crypto update is sure. Don't miss out. Yes, firstly, on how you can able to mine, go straight. Maybe you click on the link or you download the app. Go straight to your profile. The first thing you're going to do is for you to what, do your KYC. Yes, immediately you do your KYC, everything will be verified. Yes, use two-factor security. You get two authentication factor security. Use it to secure your account. Don't let anybody, don't share any of your account details to anybody. Do get me? Yes, trust only yourself. Don't share it to anybody. Do get, hide everything and don't share it to anybody. Do get me? What next again is that the next is for you to able to get more tokens. Yes, you have to perform the tax and you have to import your wallet. This is my wallet address. You get, this is my wallet address and every other thing. Yes, which is what 15 USDT I was giving. Like they just try to dash me 15 USDT. This is the 15 USDT. Yes, and after that, what next again is for you to able to what? This is the sorry. What next again is for you to be mining. Yes, it's very simple to mine. You get, click on display. The two like you take you to the mining section. You have to be tapping. You get me? Yes, you need to be tapping. That is the best way in order for you to get more token. And if you complete your KYC, you can mine from now to tomorrow. Even though you want to have 10 million tokens, everything, just complete your KYC. You get, let you complete your KYC, you have a more like you have more tokens to mine. But without completing KYC, you have to just tap for just like 1,000 tokens just for the tapping. You get, I would recommend you do your KYC first. The KYC is very important. And the best way in order for you to able to be tapping, if you don't want to be using your hand to be tapping, I will take you step to that place. Let me show you. Yes, click on this auto clicker. Yes, this is my auto clicker. Yes, if I don't want to be using my hand to be tapping, yes, let me go straight to your Play Store or your Apple Store. Download this OC auto clicker. Do you get? Yes, make you click on it and art will pop up. Do you get? I'm coming. Let the art pop up finished. Yes, this is the auto click something here. Let me get started. Just pick it. What next? I have to go straight to the project. Yes, I have to wait for the thing to unlock. The thing is loading. Yes, wait for the thing to get loaded. Yes, click on play boost. Yeah, this is the play boost. I have to watch. I need like, which is I have to be placing it around it. Yes, and it will be clicking within it. Like it will be clicking. Have you seen it? Yes, download this auto clicker. Yeah, it will just place your phone around the side. Yes, you just have to do this. The token will be mining within the side. You have no token. It will be mining. It will be mining. You get me? Yes, it will be mining. Don't miss out on this project. Have you seen it? Yes, it's a very simple step you need to take. No need of. See, let me tell you this project. Don't joke with it. I promised you and I give 100% sure this project is legit. You get? I would like to recommend you don't joke with it. Don't miss out. And it's sure, legit, and trusted. You get? Yes, let me take you to their community on what they're sharing out on their X handle and every other thing. What they share out on their Telegram channel handle. You get? I will take you there now. Yes, and if you do your KYC, that's why I told you for the first time that do your KYC. The KYC is very important. Take note. Later you join, do your KYC. Use your NIN or your driving license or your passport. Do your KYC in order for you to mine thousands of tokens. You get me? Take note of that. Yes, let me take you to the step on how you can able to what they share out on their X and on their Telegram channel. Let me take you there so that you're able to know more that this project is legit. This is the information they share out. And look at what they said. The world's stronger Arabic tokens launching in 46 days. Last chance. Have you seen it? Last chance. They use Arabic to write it and everything. Yeah, but they already explained what they wrote to get, which is the last chance. Remaining 46 days. And if you check the app, look at what they said. If you check the app, remaining 46 days. Do you get me? If you check the app, remaining 46 days on this project. You get? When you check the app, I would like to recommend you something big and amazing is coming out on this project. You get? I would like to recommend you don't miss out. Don't miss out on this project. Don't miss out. Do you get me? Don't miss out. Look at it, which is 46 days, 12 hours, 11, 10 hours, something like that. Have you seen it? And a lot of future. This is their wallet. This is their invest. If you want to invest on it, yes. If you want to invest, you want to do anything, you can go straight search. But I will not recommend you to invest. Don't invest. Just mine. Do your KYC and wait till the project got time for them to list and every other thing in order for you to connect your wallet and withdraw your tokens. Do you get? Yes, this is the light success crypto. Yes, I share step-by-step videos on crypto. Yes, my updates are all sure and legit. Don't miss out on this project I'm sharing out to you. Yes, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go straight to my video description. You see the link of this project. Join early now, take action and start your own now. Start mining, start referring your friends, perform all the tasks. Do you get me? Take action. Yes, if you are coming across my video for the first time, please don't forget to smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the bell notification so in case I drop a sure, legit and trusted update, you're able to grab it, you're able to get notified. Yes, click on the bell notification. It's very important. And again is that don't forget to join my Telegram channel where I share updates step by step on every information, update, and every other thing on crypto. We're able to be notified. And I share update on crypto first on my Telegram channel before I share it out on my YouTube channel. Take note of that. Yeah, this is Delight Crypto. If there's any question, go straight to my comment section. Drop your question. I will enlighten you, put it through, and give you the step by step information you need to take on that. Do you get any question you want to ask me? Yes, I love you all, and please stay consistent, take action, and keep mining. Don't joke with yourself. Do you get? Take action and keep mining. Don't miss out. Something big and amazing is coming. Yes, I love you all. Take action before it's too late. If there's any question, let me know further. I will reach out to you. Yes, don't worry. The update is legit. Do get? You to search on it, go through it again. Do get? And stay consistent and keep pushing. Yes, I love you all. Don't miss out, and I'll see you on the top. Take action before it's too late. You are all welcome.